Tired of spending your weekends pushing a vacuum around? Imagine a world where your floors stay spotless without lifting a finger. In today's video, we're unveiling the top robot vacuum cleaners that promise to revolutionize your cleaning routine. From powerful suction to smart navigation, these devices are designed to tackle dirt and debris with minimal effort on your part. And the best part, all the links to purchase these innovative robot vacuums are conveniently located in the description below. So, if you're ready to adopt the future of cleaning, check them out and find the perfect fit for your home. Let's get started with number 5. On number 5, we have Roborock Q5 Max Plus. It's a high-performance robot vacuum designed to deliver efficient and thorough cleaning for various floor types. It boasts a powerful 5,500 PA suction capability, enhanced by the dual roller brush system, which effectively captures dirt and debris while minimizing hair tangles. Equipped with PreCiSense LiDAR navigation, it creates precise maps of your home, ensuring comprehensive coverage and optimized cleaning routes. The Auto Empty Dock feature allows the vacuum to automatically empty its 770 milliliters dust bin into a larger 2.5-liter bag, reducing the frequency of manual emptying and providing up to 45 days of hands-free cleaning. Users can customize cleaning schedules, set no-go zones, and manage multi-level mapping through the intuitive companion app. Additionally, the Q5 Max Plus supports voice control by Alexa, Google Home, and Siri, offering seamless integration into smart home ecosystems. Overall, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus combines robust suction power, intelligent navigation, and user-friendly features, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a reliable and convenient cleaning solution. Number 4. On number 4, we have Eufy X8 Pro Robot Vacuum. It's a high-performance cleaning device designed to efficiently manage household debris and pet hair. It features twin-turbine technology, delivering a combined suction power of 8,000 PA, ensuring thorough cleaning across various floor types. The vacuum is equipped with a self-empty station that holds up to 45 days of dust and debris in a 2.5-liter bacteriostatic dust bag, providing a hands-free experience. Its patented active detangling roller brush automatically untangles hair, reducing maintenance efforts. Advanced iPath laser navigation and AI Map 2.0 technology enable precise mapping and efficient cleaning routes. Overall, the Eufy X8 Pro offers a powerful and convenient solution for maintaining clean floors, particularly benefiting pet owners and those seeking minimal upkeep. Number 3. On number 3, we have Roborock Q5 Pro. It's a versatile robot vacuum and mop that offers efficient cleaning for various floor types. It features a dual roller brush system and delivers powerful 5,500 PA suction, effectively removing dirt and pet hair while minimizing tangles. Equipped with PreCiSense LiDAR navigation and adaptive route algorithms, it navigates spaces intelligently, ensuring thorough coverage. The device can vacuum and mop simultaneously, capturing fine dust that vacuuming alone might miss. Additional features include customizable app controls, scratch-safe wheels and brushes, a large 770 milliliters dust bin, and compatibility with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Siri. These capabilities make the Roborock Q5 Pro a comprehensive solution for maintaining clean floors in modern homes. Number 2. On number 2, we have Dreame L10S Ultra. It's a high-end robot vacuum and mop that offers a comprehensive cleaning solution for modern homes. It features powerful 5,300 pascal suction, dual rotary mops, and advanced AI navigation utilizing an RGB camera and 3D structured light for efficient cleaning. The multifunctional dock enhances user convenience by automatically emptying the dust bin, cleaning and drying the mops, refilling the water tank, and adding cleaning solution as needed. With automatic carpet detection and suction boost, it effectively transitions between different floor types. The Dreame Home app provides customizable cleaning settings, and the system supports voice commands and remote video control. Overall, the Dreame L10s Ultra stands out as a versatile and user-friendly cleaning device, offering a blend of powerful performance and intelligent features. Now talk about number 1. Finally, on number 1, we have a Roomba Combo J7 Plus. It's a sophisticated two-in-one robot vacuum and mop designed for efficient home cleaning. Its standout feature is a fully retractable mop pad that lifts to the top of the robot when encountering carpets and rugs, preventing unwanted wet messes. It is equipped with advanced sensors. It detects various floor types and adjusts its cleaning mode accordingly. The Roomba Combo J7 utilizes precision vision navigation to recognize and avoid common obstacles, enhancing its cleaning efficiency. Additionally, it comes with a clean base automatic dirt disposal system, allowing for hands-free operation as the robot empties its dustbin into the base after each cleaning session. This combination of innovative features makes the Roomba Combo J7 Plus a versatile and user-friendly solution for maintaining clean floors in homes with mixed flooring types. Thank you for joining us as we explored the top robot vacuum cleaners that can transform your cleaning routine. Remember, all the links to purchase these innovative devices are conveniently located in the description below. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful reviews and recommendations. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the perfect robot vacuum for your home. Happy cleaning!